What's going on, guys? It's been a busy month, but we've seen a lot of questions out there on what kind of comms, helmets. So hopefully this video will help some people decide what comms. I learned the hard way. It's not always good to save money. So hope you like the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments or private message us on one of our social media platforms. Thanks. So we get a lot of questions online, what helmets and what headsets or comms we're using. I'll put all the links in the description, and right over here I will put prices of each item that we did. This helmet is one that I saw Jesse Haynes buy, so I bought this one because I like that it has that little mouthpiece, and that's where our comms are. I didn't take a video of installing the comms, but it's basically straightforward. This one I still have to install. This is the earpiece. Basically, you just take one of the Velcro pieces, peel this paper off, stick it in there, stick the earpiece to that. The actual comm there is a Sena, which you can see Sena, and you take an Allen key and just tighten it. I shoved the wire behind here. I'll put a piece of tape there. This is what we were running before. This helmet is called a Fusion, and it's super lightweight. I'll see if I can find out what size weight it is, but it's basically a tree climber's chainsaw helmet, and we riveted ear flaps to it. That's the old comms, and they kept on giving us problems, so I stepped it up to Sena Dual, and I'll see if I can find a part number for you guys. There's the part number, SM5DFMUNIV, I believe. So hopefully you guys can see that. So I'm going to finish putting these together. You just loosen up these with the provided Allen head. Just tighten these up. That's what creates the clamping force on the clip. And you take this also, which is nice. If you look at these you actually have to have a door or a latch, and it's still pretty well in there. Like, I'm almost afraid of breaking it. There we go. If you look at these, they're not bad, but it just pops right off. So, and you can't charge these, I don't believe, and it has a weird charger port, so, or charger connection, and you can't charge these in between. If you need them, you have to unplug it, and then you'll lose your sync more than likely. I don't know. They just did not work well, so we're ditching that whole our setup. You slide this on, and you hear the click, and then you have to untangle. But I've been competing for 5 years and always fought comms, so hopefully this is the final answer. He likes his radio on the right side. So this one will go in this ear. This gets plugged back in, and then then that's securely in there, which is a very nice feature. And I'm not sponsored by Sena. That goes in there. And then usually what I do is I'll put this to the outside. This also has like goggle clips, which comes in handy because you can do that. And then that keeps that all nice and tight. Gotta find a spot for this, which I don't know which one. I guess that is that one. Really don't stick there that well. It sticks on this stuff pretty good. That will work. And then I will put this up through here, up through there. Good old Gorilla Tape. Go there. Go there. And this. Gets put over that. And let's see how these sync. So to turn these on, you hold the yellow and this. So how you pair these, you hold these two buttons and it'll turn on, it will beep, and then you hold these two buttons and then click once on one and two on the other, and it pairs right up. I'm gonna go in the other room and talk into my helmet so you can hear in this helmet how clear it is, hopefully.
Driver, passenger.
So, how you pair these helmets. It's actually on right now.
Goodbye.
Very quickly to turn them off. So you just hold. It's going to be hard to do it at the same time. I'll do one in blue light means it's on. Blue light means it's on. Once you turn them on, once it blinks red, and you press this one once or this one once and this one twice. Vice versa, doesn't matter. It's two helmets, so you press one of them once and one of the other ones, double tap it for two, and as you can hear, it's paired. So I guess this is our first product review, and we'll know. Follow us on Instagram at OGOB Racing to see how the new helmets and intercoms work together. I have a feeling that these are going to be they're just built way better. So we're headed to West. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button. This month is jam-packed full of wheeling. We already have some videos up, if you didn't see them, of last weekend. We're leaving this Thursday for West Virginia. So next week we'll have up videos of the competition. We're going to try to get some more of the other classes. So we'll have hopefully mod stock, pro mod, and unlimited. And then Sunday we're going to wheel for maybe 4 hours because it's an 8-hour ride home. So make sure you follow on our adventure on Instagram as OGOB Racing or OGOB Racing on Facebook. Thanks for watching.